Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and some of my favorite shoes to wear on a daily basis are flip-flops, or slippers as they're known in Hawaii. I've been wearing this pair from KUAILU, and I found them to be durable and comfortable, and that's not just using them in Hawaii. I also wear them in the Pacific Northwest where I live. Some things about them that I really like are that they have some arch support. I have overpronated ankles, and so having a little bit of arch support helps a lot. They're not so hard that they're difficult to walk on, but not so soft that they're just like super squishy all over the place too. These do not give me a blister in between my toes, so that's another great thing about them. Of course, if your feet aren't used to them, you may get a little bit of a callus there. I got the color black. This is just a great staple color to use with all kinds of outfits, but KUAILU also has other colors to choose from. I got the size 7.5. These are true to size, and I really appreciate that the brand has half sizes so that I can get a true fit. You cannot go wrong with these shoes. I think you're gonna love them as much as I have, and that's my point of view.